Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from old Dawn newspaper, which is prepared only for shorthand dictation purpose. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound shorthand dictations. Thanks. Start. The increase in the prices of petroleum products that was announced on Friday and became effective from the first day of the current month is said to be one of the highest ever in the history of price adjustments that would impact upon the cost of production and inflation. Full stop. According to an announcement by the oil company's advisory committee, the price of motor spirit has been increased. Full stop. The price of high speed diesel has gone up. Full stop. The rising trend in world oil prices is said to be the cause for the latest price hike. Full stop. Even, if the latest increase was unavoidable, there is need to consider ways and means as to how the fortnightly adjustment in POL prices has the minimum impact on the overall cost of production and cost of living. Full stop. At a time when the government is keen to accelerate investment, for which it has been rightly agreed that reduction in the cost of energy inputs would be an attractive incentive. Full stop. During the current financial year, the government expects to receive rupees 46 billion in petroleum surcharge, this levy looked all right at a time when the government needed to raise resources. Full stop. But now, at a time when the government resources position is comfortable and fiscal deficit is under control, the whole idea of resource generation through the levy of petroleum surcharge would need review. Full stop. At this point of time, the priority goal is to accelerate investment and growth, and for this the cost of energy inputs ought to be kept under control. Full stop. The end.